What a strange cocktail. Hey everybody, how you do? I'm Gunadie and you're watching Handmade Tested, the series where we test handmade projects. That's why we call it Handmade Tested. Today's project is actually not from that long ago, but AV made it look so effortless and cool that I knew I had to try it out. Ice, ice, baby. Let's get testing!
You're probably wondering, what is ice dyeing? Well, ice dyeing is the technique that you use. You take your material, in this case our napkin, you have it folded, you put ice on it, then you put some powder dye and you let the ice melt. The ice will help create the patterns with the dye, and then you just rinse, wash, and dry.
So I've actually never tie-dyed anything before, so a napkin seems like a really good place to start. And who knows, if I enjoy this and do well enough, then all you other clothes better watch out. I have some shirts drying over there.
This is our ice dyeing take on shibori. So you're going to fold like this, just folding back and forth.
Not to brag, but the last time I sat here and folded some napkins, I think I proved that I was pretty good at it. This one is a 5 out of 5. All right, so we fold, 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 and then we do the same for the inside. Fold in, and this way, and then this way. And then put our rubber band. Easy enough?
So we're going to fold this in half, like so. Fold it in half again.
Method number 2, it's triangle time. Like this, and then like this. Okay, samosa.
Next, we're going to do a crumple. And guess what? It's just like this.
Method number 3, let's get crumpling. That was really bad, sorry. And let's add a rubber band to that. Kind of looks like a rose.
The last one, we're gonna just do a simple twist and turn. So it's gonna twist until it's into a circle.
Method number 4, the twist and turn. How'd you do that? Okay, we're just gonna make up our own little variation here. Keep turning and turning, and voila! Looks like a napkin pastry.
I have these little cardboard strips that I made to help contain the ice. And what you do is, right, here's the magic. You just put ice all in there.
All right, so we have what looks like the aftermath of an all-you-can-eat buffet. Let's take these napkins and put it in the cardboard, like that, and then like that. And just add ice. Let's put some of this in here. Let's pack it in there. Is that enough ice? And this one can fit some more ice. Let's just top it up here. And a little more for you. What a strange cocktail.
For this project, I like to keep the colors complementary because the pattern, I'm not sure what it's gonna look like, but the colors will tie it all in.
So I picked up these powder dyes at the dollar store. They look pretty enough, and I guess we'll just sprinkle them on. Let's start with pink. Let's see if we can, oh, wow. That looks cool. And we'll get some pink for you. Wow, powder dye is the way. And purple. Wow. Am I using too much? I don't know. Hopefully not. Just get some there. Let's mix some in here. And some over here. Wow. The dye on the ice alone looks really cool. And green, blue, turquoise. Let's just add some in there. And let's just get some in here. Poof, 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 poof. Poof, poof, poof. I gotta say, I love these color combinations. And just seeing the dye streak down the ice here, kind of looks like an eyeball. If the dye looks this cool on the ice, I'm sure it's gonna look amazing on the napkin. So we'll let this sit and then check in a bit. And welcome back. The ice has melted more or less. I've just dumped out all of the inky water because I do not feel like having a tie-dye bath today. Let's see what we got. Whoa. Okay, this is a beautiful combination of colors. Let's take this rubber band off. Wow, oh my gosh. All right, maybe you should have used a little more ice for this one because there's still quite a bit of white, but I actually love this. Very ink heavy on the bottom, not so much over here. All right, next one. Wow, okay. It's a little bit more pastel and wow. Love the color combination, just love the movement of the colors. Looks like cotton candy clouds. Next one. Ooh. So this one we can see has some spots where the ink has concentrated. That's where I got a little powder happy. Oh, it's dripping, it's dripping. Okay, wow. Okay, I like the symmetry of this one. It's very purple, but I like that. This looks like if I did this, it's a hippie pant leg. And the final one. Okay, again, very purple. Let's see what you look like. Our little samosa. Oh, a little spot of blue. Wow. Listen, I cannot take credit for this color combination, but it's working. I like this one. Again, love the symmetry. Well, that actually turned out pretty cool, and I think using ice and powder dye just created these really interesting patterns. I love this color combo, and again, I cannot take any credit for it, but if you're looking to do this, definitely throw some purple and blue in there. I think this one's my favorite. All the colors are just working in harmony. It looks really dreamy. I would like to know, do you prefer a tie-dye pattern that's very symmetrical, maybe geometric, or one that's more kind of free flow and dreamy? In the comments below, let me know your preference. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Stay crafty.